हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है स्टडी एग्जाम में। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एआई के लिए भी। ये फिजिक्स के हैं। ये फ्रेंड्स मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट के क्वेश्चंस हैं इसमें। फ्रेंड्स, मैं इसमें आज आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ जिनका कल पेपर है और परसों पेपर, 2-3 कोई पेपर है जिनका, उनके लिए ये भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण वीडियो है। और फ्रेंड्स, आप इन वीडियोस के क्वेश्चंस को जरूर सॉल्व करें। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज आप लोग का, जिन लोग का आज पेपर हुआ, अपना रिव्यू जरूर देंगे कि आप लोग का पेपर कैसा हुआ, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आए, कैसा रहा आप लोग का। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं, क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं। नंबर 1, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस इन द रीजन आउटसाइड द बार मैग्नेट इज व्हाट? फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ पोल towards the south pole of the magnet, from the south pole towards the north pole of the magnet. C, in the direction coming out from the both poles of the magnet. D, in the direction entering both the poles of the magnet. Answer is A, from north pole towards the south pole of the magnet. फ्रेंड्स, यार इस टॉपिक से भी कम से कम मैंने 2015-2016 के पेपर में जो मैंने एनालिसिस वाली एक वीडियो डाली है, उसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि जो मैग्नेटिक मूवमेंट, मैग्नेटिक वाले चैप्टर से आप लोग का कम से कम 4 क्वेश्चंस आते ही आते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में मैंने सिर्फ मैग्नेटिक्स के क्वेश्चन को मैंने कवर किया है। कम से कम 4 से 5 क्वेश्चन आते ही आते हैं फ्रेंड्स। इसमें आप लोग के लिए एक क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो देखिए। मैग्नेटिक के इसमें क्वेश्चन हैं, 45 क्वेश्चन हैं इसमें। चलिए फ्रेंड्स, आगे बढ़ते हैं सेकंड क्वेश्चन के साथ। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स? क्वेश्चन 1 आंसर, ऑप्शंस आर ए, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस is from north to south. B, in the region where magnetic field lines are two at the close distance from one another, there will be a strong magnetic field. C, the magnetic field lines from closed loops. D, the magnetic field lines can cross one another. The option is D, the magnetic field lines can cross one another. Question 3, by which instrument can presence of magnetic field be determined? Voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer, magnetic needle. Answer is D, magnetic needle. Who was the first to observe the magnetic effect of electric current? Faraday, Oersted, Volta, Ampere. Correct answer is B, Oersted. Question 5. Sorry friends. With the help of which law can the direction of magnetic field decided? Faraday law, Fleming's right hand thumb rule, Fleming's left hand rule. The option is C, right hand thumb rule. Question number 6. According to right hand thumb rule, direction of what is indicated by the thumb? Electric current, magnetic field, magnetic force, motion of conductor. The correct answer is answer D, motion of the conductor. Question number 7. Magnetic field produced in a straight conducting wire on passing current through it is A, in the direction of current, B, in the direction of opposite to the current, C, circular around the wire, D, in the direction parallel to wire. Option is C, circular around the wire. Question number 8. What is the type of field line of magnetic field passing through the center of current carrying circular ring? A, circular, B, straight line, C, ellipse, D, magnetic field is zero at the center. The correct option is B, straight line. Question number 9. Which of the following has magnetic field like that of a bar magnet? Current carrying wire, B, current carrying ring, C, current carrying solenoid, D, current carrying rectangular loop. The correct answer is answer C, current carrying solenoid. Next question. Who gave the principle of electromagnetic induction? Faraday, Oersted, Volt, Ampere. The correct answer is A, Faraday. Which of the direction of magnetic force acting on a current carrying wire placed in a magnetic field? Along magnetic field, A, or B, along the electric current, C, perpendicular to magnetic field, D, opposite to magnetic field. Correct answer is answer C, perpendicular to magnetic field. Question number 12. How is a current carrying wire placed in magnetic field so that the magnetic field does not act on it? parallel to the magnetic field, perpendicular to the magnetic field, parallel making angle of 40 degree with a magnetic field. D can be arranged anyway. The correct answer is answer A, parallel to the magnetic field. Question 13. In which of the following cases the induced current in the loop will not be obtained? A. Loop is moved in the direction of magnet. B. The magnetic is moved in the direction of loop. C. The loop and the magnet are moved in the opposite direction with the same speed. D. The loop and the magnet are moved in one direction with the same speed. The correct answer is D. The loop and the magnet are moved in one direction with the same speed. Which instrument is used for converting electrical energy to mechanical energy? A. Electric generator. B. Electric motor. C. Electric iron. D. Electric oven. Correct answer is answer B. Electric motor. Question number 15. On which principle does the electric generator work? Electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Electrical energy converted into thermal energy. Electrical energy converted into mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. Or D. Electrical energy converted to light energy. Correct option is C. मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. फ्रेंड्स आज का लेवल जिस टाइप का आप लोग का आया है पेपर का आप लोग जानते हैं किस टाइप का था. और फ्रेंड्स इसी टाइप से मतलब आप लोग का थोड़ा थोड़ा इसी मैचिंग का आप लोग के लिए अपने कल का भी पेपर होने वाला है और उसके नेक्स्ट 2 और 3 को भी जो पेपर होने वाला है उसी लेवल के तक के थोड़े 3 लेवल में 3 शिफ्ट में पेपर्स होते हैं अलग अलग एग्जाम्स के, जैसे कि मॉर्निंग इवनिंग और फ्रेंड्स दोपहर में जो होते हैं आफ्टरनून में. सो फ्रेंड्स सबका लेवल्स एक जैसा तो नहीं होता है बट डिफिकल्टीज थोड़ी होती हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स आप क्वेश्चंस को जितना प्रैक्टिस करके जाएंगे उतना आप लोग के लिए फायदा रहेगा, उतना आप लोग अच्छे से फ्लुएंसी रहेगी क्वेश्चंस को करने की. सो फ्रेंड्स चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. The magnitude of AC voltage used in India is what? And the what frequency? At the what frequency? 110 and 60 hertz, 110 volt and 60 hertz, 110 volts and 50 hertz, 220 volt 50 hertz, 220 volt 60 hertz. Correct option is C, 220 volts and 50 hertz. In India, AC voltage used in India is 220 volt and the frequency is 50 hertz. फ्रेंड्स इंडिया में 50 हर्ट्ज यूज होता है एंड यूएस साइड में 60 हर्ट्ज फ्रीक्वेंसीज को लिया जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Which colored insulation cover is used for earthing wire? Red, black, green, can be of any color. The correct answer is C. It's green. Insulation cover is used for earthing wire is C, green. Which type of current is obtained from a battery? A. AC, B. DC, C. both AC and DC, D. depends on the type of battery. Correct answer is B. DC. Question number 19. Which of the following instrument is used to know the presence of electric current? A. Fuse, B. galvanometer, C. voltmeter, D. magnetic needle. The correct answer is B. galvanometer. Question number 20. A fuse wire is A. conductor, B. an insulator, C. a semiconductor, D. made of any material. Answer is A. a conductor. 21. What is the rule used to know that the direction of the induced current in the circuit? A. Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule, right hand thumb rule, or Ampere's rule. The correct answer is B. Fleming's right hand rule. How many times does an alternating current AC with the frequency 50 Hz change its direction? A. 25, B. 50, C. 100, D. 200. Correct answer is C. It's 100. 100 times does an AC with frequency 50 Hz change its direction. Question number 23. At the center of which of the following four circular rings the magnetic field is the strongest for equal magnitude of current? Figure A, figure B, figure C, or figure D? You can see here the figure. The correct answer is A, figure A. Question number 24. The magnetism of magnets is maximum at poles, at the center, at the axis, everywhere in the magnet. The correct answer is A, at the poles. Question number 25. Within a bar magnet, the magnetic field lines are from north to south, from south to north, absent in both directions. The correct answer is B. It is from south to north. Question number 26. The strength of magnetic field produced in a current carrying straight conductor is what? Directly proportional to the distance from the wire, directly proportional to the magnetic of the current in the wire, inversely proportional to the magnitude of the current in the wire, or D. Independent of the magnitude of the current in the wire. The correct answer is B. Directly proportional to the magnitude of the current in the wire. फ्रेंड्स इसमें थोड़ा छोटा है ये, आप थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा, ध्यान से दिख तो रही है सबको. सो फ्रेंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. The magnetic field inside a solenoid is strong at north pole and weak at south pole, strong at south pole and weak at north pole, uniform throughout, or zero. The correct answer is C. Magnetic field inside the solenoid is uniform throughout. What is not true in this? Solenoid is electromagnetic, a solenoid is temporary magnet, a solenoid is permanent magnet, or a solenoid is like a bar magnet. Correct answer is C. A solenoid is a permanent magnet. Question number 29. A fuse wire is generally made up of A. Copper, B. Aluminium, C. Alloy of lead and tin, D. Alloy of copper and lead. The correct answer is C. Alloy of lead and tin. Question number 30. In our domestic electric supply, we use following three colors of insulation cover on wires: red, blue, green, or B. Red, yellow, blue, C. Black, green, yellow, D. Red, black, green. The correct answer is D. Red, black, and green. Question number 31. The current passing through two separate lines circuit of our houses is dash A and dash A. Options are 510, 515, 1015, 25. The correct answer is B. It's 5 and 15. In the current passing through two separate lines in our houses is 5 ampere and 15 ampere. चलिए फ्रेंड्स बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 32. Which of the following is not a permanent magnet? A. Magnetic needle, B. Bar magnet, C. Electromagnet, D. Horseshoe magnet. The correct answer is C. Electromagnet. Question number 33. The force is experienced by a current carrying wire placed in a magnetic field will be maximum when it is at an angle of 45 degree to the magnetic field, B. At the right angle to the magnetic field, C. Parallel to the magnetic field, D. Anti-parallel to the magnetic field. The correct answer is B. At the right angle to the magnetic field. Question number 34. A magnetic field will not exert force on A. Bar magnet, B. A stationary electric charge, C. An electromagnet, D. An electric charge moving perpendicular to it. The correct answer is B. A stationary electric charge. Question number 35. On which of the following does the electromotive force not depend? A. Relative motion of the coil and the magnet, B. Number of turns, C. Rate of change of flux linked with the coil, D. Material of the coil. The correct answer is option D. Material of the coil. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 36. During the situation of a short circuit, the current in the circuit is what? Reduces to zero, increases greatly, does not change, or oscillates. The correct option is answer B. Increases greatly. During the situation of a short circuit, the current in the circuit is increases greatly. Question 37. If many appliances are connected in a circuit, may occur short circuit, long circuit, overloading, explosion. The correct answer is C, overload. At the center of which of the following four circular rings the magnetic field is the strongest for equal magnitude of current? Loop 1, loop 2, loop 3 or loop 4. At the center, which of the following four circular rings the magnetic field is strongest for the equal magnitude of current? Friends, ये लूप से मैं आपको 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 इसका ऑप्शन है लूप 4 फ्रेंड्स। इसके लिए वीडियो हाँ कुछ नहीं फ्रेंड्स, वो चीज़ ओके है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 फ्रेंड्स, इसमें से आपको मैच द फॉलोइंग करना। पार्ट बी में दे रखा है कौन सा अप्रोप्रिएट है इसमें से करेक्ट किसके साथ मैचिंग का है। तो इसका ऑप्शन है सोलोनॉइड आप लोग का फ्रेंड्स। सोलोनॉइड आप लोग का फ्रेंड्स होता है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक के साथ। इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर होता है इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी टू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट। और फ्रेंड्स इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर आपका होता है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन पे वर्क करता है। और फ्रेंड्स सेफ्टी फ्यूज जो होता है वो फ्रेंड्स हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट होता है। सो फ्रेंड्स इसमें आपका करेक्ट आंसर हो रहा है, मैच कर रहा है आप लोग का क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन डी। फर्स्ट का ए, सेकंड का सी, थर्ड का डी एंड फोर्थ का बी। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 40। What is the potential difference of the current flowing in the insulated wires in America? 220 volt, B 100 volt, C 110 volt, D 60 volt. Correct option is C 110 volt. Dash current line is connected to the air conditioning machine. 20 ampere, 15 ampere, 10 ampere or 5 ampere. Correct option is B 15 ampere. 15 ampere current line is connected to the air conditioning machine. Question number 42. If the current flowing through each turn of a solenoid is in the same direction, the magnetic field produced by n turn will be dash with the magnetic field due to each turn. Options are added, subtracted, multiplied or divided. Correct answer is answer C, multiplied. If the current flowing through the each turn of solenoid is in the same direction, magnetic field produced by n turns will be multiplied with the magnetic field due to each turn. Let's move on to the question number 43. The magnitude of induced current due to the relative motion of a coil and the magnet does not depend on speed of relative motion, number of turns of coil, C, resistivity of wire of coil, D, pole strength of the magnet. The correct answer is C, resistivity of wire of the coil. Question number 44. Which of the following statement is not suitable with reference to direct current? DC. Electric current flows always from positive pole to negative pole. The value of electric current is always constant with time. Its production is cheap or more energy is wasted in its conduction. Answer is C. The production is cheap. Thank you friends for watching this video. Friends, please do like, share and subscribe this video. और friends, all the best जिनका पेपर कल है, 3 शिफ्ट में पेपर है फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन कीजिए और अच्छे से आप लोग पूरे पेपर्स को दीजिएगा फ्रेंड्स। आप लोग सिलेक्शन जरूर लें। हमारी ये आप लोग से ये आशा करते हैं आप लोग से कि आप लोग अच्छे प्लेस्ड हों और अच्छी जगह आप लोग का मतलब सिलेक्शन हो। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, जय हिंद जय भारत। फ्रेंड्स लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा वीडियो को।